Good morning, Mr. Cruz. I understand you're feeling anxious and dealing with some pain after your surgery. It's completely normal to feel this way. I am here to support you. On a scale of 1 to 10, you mentioned your pain is around a 6 right? Let's talk about what we can do to help manage that. We have a pain management plan in place, which includes medication that we'll give you regularly. But if the pain increases, please don't hesitate to let me know. Your comfort is very important to us. I also guide you through some safe techniques for moving around that can help prevent stiffness and support your recovery. For now, let's take it one step at a time. What worries you most about getting up or moving around today? I am here to answer any question and to make sure that you feel as secure and comfortable as possible.